How to fix sound problems after iOS 26 update. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix sound problems on your iPhone after updating to the iOS 26 software update. Make sure you stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Now, the first thing you want to check is whether your iPhone is in silent mode. If you're using an older iPhone model, like the iPhone 14, 13, or earlier, look at the ring and silent switch on the top left side of your phone, just above the volume buttons. Make sure it's switched to ringer mode. If you're using a newer iPhone with the action button, long press that button and check if it switches your phone to ringer mode. If that doesn't fix the issue, the next thing you should try is turning off Bluetooth. Sometimes your iPhone connects to a Bluetooth headphones or a speaker. Open your control center and turn off Bluetooth. After that, test the sound again. Another fix you can try is resetting all settings on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, go to General, scroll down, and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. From here, tap Reset and then choose Reset All Settings. This will not delete your photos, apps, or personal data. It only resets system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound preferences, and notifications. Sometimes after an update, these settings can cause sound issues, and resetting them clears out those glitches. If the sound is still not working, there might be a software glitch after the iOS 26 update. In this case, a force restart can help. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button on the right side. Keep holding it until the screen turns black and you see the Apple logo appear. Once the phone restarts, open a video or play some music to check if the sound is back. Finally, if the problem still continues, go back into your settings, check for any new iOS updates, and install them. Apple often releases bug fix updates that solve issues like this. And that's it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.